Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. To the channel. In today's video, we're going full mobile. I'm going to show you how to run a Nexus node using Termux on your Android phone in 2025. Yes, it's totally possible. And if you're into blockchain or just want to support decentralized networks while learning some Linux commands, this is one for you. So, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open up your Termux app. If you don't have it yet, grab it from F-Droid, not the Play Store because the Play Store version isn't updated anymore. Once in your Termux, run the usual setup, which is displayed on the screen right now. This sets your environment to handle compiling the Nexus code. Now, we're going to clone the official Nexus repository, which is screening right now. Before building, make sure you have enough storage and patience. Compiling on a mobile can take time. From inside the Nexus folder, then run this, which is shown below on the screen. This process can take a while depending your phone power. If you see errors about missing dependencies, double check if OpenSSL and Boost are properly installed. Some users may need to install libcurl or additional libraries using package install. Once build is done, you will have the Nexus daemon ready to go. Start your node by simply running this. This command runs the Nexus node in the background. It will begin syncing with the blockchain right from your Android device. Be prepared, it can use a lot of bandwidth and storage over time. If you want to make sure your node is running properly, you can change the logs using this. You can also set up port forwarding if you want to help the network by allowing inbound connections, but that part might require router access or a hotspot with advanced settings. And just like that, you've got Nexus node running on Termux from your Android phone. Pretty powerful stuff for something you can carry on your pocket. Thanks for watching. If this guy helps you out, drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and let me know in the comment if you want more Termux or blockchain related videos. I've got a ton coming for your way. Catch you in the next tutorial.